Negative reviews killing your Walmart sales. Here's how to get them removed fast. I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways. The first way is going to be looking for a Walmart policy violation, of course. So you're just going to go into Google, type in request to remove a review Walmart. Request to remove a review Walmart. You're going to find the first link, Walmart ratings and reviews, request to remove a review, and then product feedback removal requests. So we're going to look through each one. Here is the product feedback and removal request, and this is from Walmart directly. And it says if they have the incorrect star rating. So if a review says this item's great and they give you a 1 star, Walmart will review it, remove it. Incorrect product. So if you're selling Nike shoes and they say these Adidas shoes are terrible, Walmart will remove it. Inappropriate item update. And this is the one that I'm going to be talking about next. If it's an item update, I'll be explaining that. That's like a trick to get the reviews removed. But anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to submit the request. You create a ticket, right? And then you're going to contact, hey, this is the product type of review, product review. Put your product ID, put the date of the review, the customer nickname, link to the item page, reason why you want them to remove it, and a screenshot. Make sure you're taking that screenshot, submit the ticket. If you don't know how to submit a ticket, make sure that you go here and you just click right here when you're logging into and click your cases and then provide them with all of this information, and then you should be good to go. Another thing, if you want to look at the guidelines, there's a lot of guidelines, but you can put this all into ChatGPT and then say, hey, does this review violate any of these guidelines? And they can help you with that. There's a lot of guidelines here, right, on how they can do it. Another one is eligibility. We kind of went over this. Also, if it's a Walmart issue. So if it's about shipping and Walmart did the shipping, you can also get it removed. Or if it's like coming broken, it's arrived broken and Walmart's doing the shipping, you can also get it removed. So that's way number 1. And now I'm going to show you option number 2, which is to convince Walmart you launched a new model and the reviews are of an old model. So you're like, wait, what? So you know how there's the iPhone, and then there's the iPhone 2 and the iPhone 3 and the iPhone 4 and so on, iPhone 10, right? If you say you launched a new model, so you have the iPhone, and then you're like, hey, I'm changing the same listing to iPhone 2, you can have Walmart wipe all of the reviews on that listing or all of the reviews from a certain date. So I'm going to give you an example on how we did it. So we complained to Walmart. We're like, hey, we have a new product, right? It's model 2.0. All of these reviews are of an old model. Please remove them. So this is what Walmart said. Hello, thank you for reaching Walmart. I have reviewed your issue. We need to work with an internal team. We're going to update you. That's what they said. Then this is exactly what they said. Thank you for reaching Walmart fulfillment. According to the provided document, this product was updated and or approved to adhere to our authenticity policies for removing reviews. We can currently only remove all reviews prior to the date the changes have been implemented. So they're going to remove all of the reviews prior to the date. So if I say, let's say today's January 1st, and I want to remove all the reviews from November, right? I'm going to say, please, we updated it November 25th. All the reviews before that date are irrelevant because it's of an old model. And you can see right here, they say, please confirm which specific date of the product. If we can remove all reviews for this product prior to that date. So they're going to remove all of those reviews. So you can do this. This is another loophole. You might not want to remove all the reviews, but this is an option. And option number 3, which does work as well, is to get a Walmart employee to do it for you. Okay, so to get the Walmart employee, you're going to notice if you've been selling for a while, these Walmart employees are going to be reaching out to you. They're just going to email you. So check your email, just type in Walmart advertising or Walmart. See if you see any employees reach out to you. They're going to be like, can we have a meeting about advertising? Usually it's ads or you're eligible for this special service or expansion to Mexico. Whatever it is, what you want to do is have that meeting with them. So you're not going to be like, my review, remove it, right? You're going to have a meeting with them. Let's say it's about ads. Okay. This Hector guy reached out to us. We need help with ads. We're going to reach out to him. We're going to have that meeting with ads. We're going to be like, oh yeah, our ads need help with this. But then towards the end of the meeting, it's only 30 minutes. Towards the end of the meeting, you're going to be like, I really have something extremely important. Would you be able to look into this really quick before we end the meeting? Right? They're going to be like, sure. You're going to pull it up. You're going to be like, this review is fake because of this. I'm just really upset. Is there anything you can do? And a lot of the times they can escalate cases and get them pushed through and pretty much get that review removed for you. I've already talked to an employee. They've already been able to do this multiple times without any incentives. Just make sure you hit it off with them, right? And so some of them you're not going to connect with and some of them you are, but you're going to get a lot of different messages. Like we had a call with Matthew. He's amazing. We hit it off right away. And then maybe Javier, we didn't so much. So he's not willing to help. But there are going to be certain employees that you want to have in your back pocket to help you out. Not just with this, but for bigger problems. But that's it for today's video. Want more Walmart videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be removing your negative reviews, managing your inventory, optimizing your listings quality score, calling Walmart, making sure that your sales are increasing and not going down. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business while we're doing all the day-to-day operations, making sure your business is A1 from day one. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.